Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to another video. So today, I haven't done this series in a long time, so I decided to do it again. So yeah, let's just get this started. Alright, first we're gonna click New. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to tell you about this, but we are going to install Windows 8.1. The last thing I did was Windows 8, so now we're doing 8.1, so. Oh yeah, I forgot to do something. I deleted it, so we're gonna have to go to the recycle bin, and we're gonna have to fetch it out of there. Where is it? Here it is. Restore. Okay, now we do this. So we're gonna name it Windows 8.1 Pro, because we're installing the Pro version, and since I already have Windows 8.1 Pro there, name it 2. We're gonna go here, select other, do that, and we're gonna skip unintended installation. Okay, and now we're going to just leave that as is. Leave that. Finish. Now we're gonna start up. Here we are. Don't care. Ooh, that was a loud crack. Anyways, let's just install it. We're gonna just select the default. Install now. Oh. The encoding overloaded? No, it's not. I want my encoding to be overloaded, then the thing will be so laggy. Now we need to enter the product key. Don't worry, I can do this. Alright. I do accept the license terms. We're gonna custom, because I didn't have an operating system on this to begin with. We're gonna do that. And there we go. Now it's installing. Alright, now it's restarting. Whoa, did you guys see that? If I hover my little thing over it, it just sucked it in. Wow, cool. Whoa, look at that. Look at that low quality Windows logo. that squished in Windows logo. Getting devices ready. Okay, it's moving pretty quick, and boom, it's already 100%. Getting ready. Getting ready for an awful experience. Oh wait, but not really an awful experience, because this is the better version of Windows 8, and it's pretty nostalgic to me because in my early days with computers, I actually used Windows 8.1, so it's pretty nostalgic to me. You guys might find like Windows 7 and Windows XP nostalgic, but I find Windows 8 nostalgic. Okay. it's taken a long time, so I'm just gonna. Alright, sorry for that. The thing just restarted, and the encoding is overloaded on this. Yeah, so it's either because this laptop really probably wasn't built for screen recording, like, especially because these specs. See, my iMac that's just to the left of me was actually built for actually has like a 7-core GPU, so or maybe I'm just running out of space, but yeah, maybe I'll reset my PC. Okay, so now we're at the OOBE thing here. You can personalize. We're gonna stick with the classic, and we're gonna call it 8.1, 881 PC. Yeah, sure. Express settings. Yeah, sure, we'll use the express settings. Checking your internet connection. Next, you'll set up your account. Ew, I want a local account. Next, oh yeah, that's just the thing. Okay. I hate this. Password. Next. Continue without a Microsoft account. Create a local account. There we go. Password. Just gonna set it as this. We set it as 8.1, and we can't include the password in the password hint because it might want to be secure. So I'm gonna do this. There. Hi. We're setting things up for you. Getting critical updates as the rainbow, as it gets a rainbow background. Back in a moment. Whoa, that was quick. Updates are done. Well, that was quick. Now we'll set up your apps. You can get new apps for this from the store. Installing your apps. Whoa. Thanks for the bloatware, Windows. Okay, but here's the problem. So either the reason why the encoding is overloaded right now, it's probably pretty laggy. Sorry for that, guys, but maybe the reason why it's doing it is this laptop, like the Windows PC I'm currently recording from, wasn't really built for streaming. The iMac over there, or you can't really see it, but the iMac to my left, which yes, I did get an iMac, has a 7-core GPU, so yeah, maybe this has a decent GPU, but maybe the storage is kind of Look, I'll show you. Privacy. Yeah, see, 17 gigs, not good. So I think about resetting it and completely resetting it. But I'll keep all my files. I can't like keep the apps. I'll need to install them. So I'll just keep the installers. Because my apps are pretty important. Like Chrome, that's my web browser. VirtualBox, that's my virtualization thing. OBS, that's my screen recorder. GIMP, that's my art program. I'm gonna have to back my apps up, or the installers, and I'm just gonna have to install them later. And gonna store them on a USB drive. You know what's probably causing all the traffic right now? Visual Studio. Yeah, it's probably causing all the traffic. Maybe because I'm working on some web pages right now, and Visual Studio is pretty big, so I might have to install an HTML editor on my iMac because, well, it's just better, better than this laptop. It has a better screen, better speakers, and just feels more professional. However, the only downside is I can't take it anywhere I go. So, yeah. Also, it doesn't have GIMP because the GIMP experience on my Mac is not very good. It's just, ugh. So, that's why this is my art/travel laptop. So, my second main machine. My iMac's my main machine. So, yeah. Getting your apps ready. Wow. I talked that much and it's still... Oh, okay. Well, spoke too soon. And hey, look. The great thing is it starts you on the desktop and not the full-size start screen. So yeah, they did improve some stuff from this over like 8.0. You see we got our desktop, which it starts there. The start button's back. Still has all this junk, but yeah. What kind of bloatware did it install? Yeah, I can really hear my fans whirring. Like, my fans are going crazy fast. Yeah, so I think it's just best to end it here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.